A collaborative robot or cobot is an industrial robot that can operate alongside humans in a shared workspace without safety barriers. Cobots are more economical than traditional robots and can easily be reprogrammed for different parts or applications. Grippers and other end effectors can be used to move the part directly or by moving a portable fixture. Advanced sensors are used to recognize workers and items to avert injuries and collisions. The cobot can easily be moved out of the way if manual operation is required. A cobot can also be used in spot welding applications. Spot weld locations with a cobot will be more accurate than with a human operator. While there are lightweight resistance welding guns that can be mounted on the end of the cobot, they usually don't have the electrical or thermal capacity needed to meet production requirements for industrial applications. These applications require a large gun and a traditional robot. For more information about cobots or resistance welding, please contact us at tjsnow.com.